Hello, Ruth Squires here with RES Luxury Group. White glove service, red carpet treatment, it's all in the name. We are not the same. And we are with Keller Williams Realty. And this is week number 5, tip number 5 of the For Sale by Owner series. So today I want to talk about showing your home. This is a very important topic in a lot of ways. I often get the question when I list properties, what should we do if someone knocks on the door? And I always tell my sellers, if somebody knocks on your door, you need to have one of my cards ready. Give them the card and tell them it's by appointment only. And they a lot of times people balk at that, say, well, we want them, if they're interested, we want to let them see the house right away so that, they can make an offer. And while I understand that perspective, the problem is you don't want to make your house seem like it's just open and available anytime to anyone. You want to give it more of an aura of exclusivity. And so when you instruct the individual to set the appointment, number one, you're telling them you have exclusive opportunity to schedule to see the house, but you must schedule an appointment. And number two, you're allowing us to set the proper experience and presentation of your home when they do see your home. So it's always recommended that you as the homeowner are not showing the home to the buyer. Of course, when you're selling your home on your own, you don't have that opportunity. But what you can do when you show the home is make sure that you stay out of the way, don't interject yourself into the viewing of the home, have materials available to hand people so they know the features and things that they should be looking at, and then just allow them to walk through the home and see it and appreciate it for what it can mean to them. So the next important tip when showing your home, however, is make sure that you are properly vetting the prospects that call you. So I think we all know there's a number of people out there that enjoy looking at homes and may just call you because, hey, I see that home's on the market. I'm not really sure if I'm in the market to buy, but I'd like to check it out. I'm interested to see what it's like. So you want to ask a few questions when you receive the calls to make sure you understand the motivation and understand what the capability of that buyer is. So things like, how long have you been looking for a house? How soon are you thinking of moving? Ask them where they live now. A little background information before they come to your house is good to have. How do they plan on purchasing when they find the right house? Will they be paying cash? Will they be financing? If they say they're going to finance, then check if they are pre-approved. It's not to say that you have to say no if they're not pre-approved, but it's certainly something you want to be aware of so that you know what stage they're at as far as the process to purchase a home. So all of these questions, good ways of really vetting and getting a feel for who's going to be coming to your house. Make sure you know the full name of the person that will be visiting and anyone that they will be bringing with them. So those are best practices when showing the home. This can be a pretty touchy topic, especially when you're doing for sale by owner, because you have to facilitate it yourself. And so just want to make sure you've got the right tools and resources and tips to have this be a successful process. If anyone has any questions, please give me a call, 352-794-1426. Have a great day. See you next week.